Welcome to the next level of utilizing Claude CoWork. The most important word to know is parallel. And there are two ways to use CoWork in parallel so that it can do multiple things for you at the same time. The first one is the simplest. So let's say I want to research the best latte in San Diego. Let's say that's thing one. Usually if you're using another chat tool like ChatGPT or the regular Claude chat or Gemini, you can only do one chat at a time, but you can actually do multiple. So let's say I also want research the best omelet in San Diego. That's the easiest way to do parallel work. You can launch multiple agents at the same time and they'll just keep working. You can do as many as your computer can handle before it starts slowing down, but you can see this one is searching the web and the best latte right now is also doing a web search and they're running without me having to go back and forth. As soon as they have updates, they'll give me a notification. That's version one. The second way is using the word parallel. Watch this. Run two parallel searches. One, best coffee in San Diego. Two, best omelet in San Diego. I can do this in the same chat, and let me show you what happens when I say parallel. It will launch multiple sub-agents at the same time. See how it's searching the web here and searching the web here? It's not that it finished the first one and it's doing the second one. It is running two separate searches all at the same time for me, and it's super simple. Now you combine this with Claude skills, and now you can make multiple pieces of content at the same time. If you don't know what skills are, watch my video on that, but I have a Claude skill that makes LinkedIn carousels for me, and I'm going to do multiple LinkedIn carousels at the same time. I'm going to do three of them. So I'm going to say, make three parallel LinkedIn carousels. One, how insurance agents can save time with CoWork. Two, how insurance agents used to work back in the 1990s before they had access to computers. And three, how insurance agents can have more fun by spending less time at the office thanks to CoWork. Claude. Okay, now that I've said that, we'll see in the bottom right corner, it should pop up my skill. You'll see it somewhere over here for my LinkedIn carousel creator. And we'll see here, it's running the skill. Yep, there's LinkedIn carousel running. Awesome. Now it's going to realize it needs to run three of these at the same time. So in my checklist in the top right corner, we should see it add three parallel agents as a task. So it's going to figure out my font and where I want the files to save for this session. Once it does that, it's going to create those three in parallel. While it's doing this, let's go back. Let's find the best latte in San Diego. We have these overall picks. Then if we find the best omelet, we have this. You can see it ran on its own. And then when I did the parallel search, we can see we have the best coffee result and we have the best omelet all in one search, and it did it all together in parallel, side by side. I didn't have to wait. Now, if we look at the create LinkedIn carousels, it's going to run the command on my computer and it's going to launch three parallel agents. It's just taking a moment for it to download those font files because I didn't actually have them saved on my computer here. And now, instead of me going to three separate chats to create three LinkedIn carousels for my posts this week, I have it all done at the same time. If you have questions about Claude CoWork or how to use AI in general, you can schedule a free time with me at bencanhelp.com. That's literally just my calendar. Or if you have questions that you don't want to necessarily leave in a comment on this video, you can send me an email, ben@bencanhelp.com as well. I'm going to let this run so you guys can see how it runs in parallel. And you can see here, it's saying create carousel 1, carousel 2, carousel 3, and then run all three scripts to verify them. So it is going to just do this for me. I don't have to have separate chats. I don't have to come back and think about it. It'll just let me know when it's done. And it's going to write these all in parallel. So they should be done very close to the same time. So it's not one after the other. It's literally just running in parallel. Okay, cool. You can see it says simultaneously, writing the file, updated the to-do list. There we go. There's the to-dos that we see in the top right. And now it's creating. So carousel 1, then it's creating carousel 2, and carousel 3 is going to run as well. That's the whole video. Go give it a shot for yourself. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Peace.